This method is based on the least square method. The following data is obtained from an experiment. If the data is fit using the straight line y equal to mx plus c, using the least square method, find the value of m. So we have to find the value of m. For that we have to make a table x and y, 1 2 3 8 15 19 x square 1 4 9 xy, it's 8 30 57, sigma x is 6, sigma y is 42, sigma x square is 14, sigma xy is 95. Now we know the formula for calculating m in case of least square method. So m equals to n sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y by n sigma x square minus sigma x square. Total number of data is 3, so n equals to 3. So it's 3 into sigma xy is 95 minus sigma x is 6 into sigma y is 42. N is 3, sigma x square is 14 minus, it's a 6 square, so 6 into 6, it's like 285 minus 252 upon 42 minus 36, it's 33 upon 6, it becomes 5.5. So value of m here is 5.5.